This is the view I get to wake up to every morning. I don't know why she's covering her face. It's very, very pretty. This is a church. Last time we were here, we walked like 20 minutes in the snow to visit this church, and it wasn't open. Now I live, or I stay, right across the street from this church. Haven't been there. Maybe I'll go there today. There's a nice balcony. Very nice balcony. Over there, in the gate, is a villa, which you can't see because of all the trees. But it's like a traditional building, and it's an art museum now. So I think today, once I finish the coffee, I'll go check out the church at long last. You can see the place is a very beautiful garden. Very pretty. Very pretty. It's called Paradise, by the way. Oh, sorry, it's Paradis. We're having lunch at a restaurant, the traditional decorations. Very nice. Look at the wood carvings. They're everywhere here. It's a very nice restaurant. Got a television screen, because it's got to be modern too. I guess we'll walk around to the corner. Look. The nice thingy. Nice picture. Nice partner to eat with. Oh, she's shy. We came back up here. Took the cable car. Thought it'd be cool to see how it is up here when it's raining. It turns out everything closes when it rains. So, sort of. Oh, look, sheep. It's kind of cool. Also, there's no view because the fog is blocking everything. Lesson learned. So it's the next day now. We're about to leave and we decided not to go to the church because the church looks kind of boring really. But it's nice and sunny today with the fog in the mountain. Very beautiful. And the sign, Zakopane.